Morning, everybody. This is Sheila with Promostk. That's Promostk, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, and also Promostk, Sheila's Creations Way. Well, guys, I'm getting ready to head to the hospital to do my outpatient procedure. I know I felt those prayers, so continue to pray. I'll keep you updated. Thank you. All right, you guys, I'm all checked in. Me and my hubby sitting here waiting. Frank, can you see yourself?
Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? I got me some coffee.
All right, so probably the next time you guys see me, it will be after this procedure. See you soon. All right, thank you. Hey, guys.
That gown will go. Any kid in your shoes.
All right, you guys. They got me back here. I haven't gone back yet. They got me with extra oxygen and got my needle in my arm over here. But I guess we'll find out how everything goes. So probably the next time you guys see me, I'll have had a successful outpatient procedure. Thank you for prayers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm out. It looks like everything was good. They're going to take this stuff off of me. So, anyway, my husband's putting my office in here too. So, anyway, next time you see me, I'll have clothes on. All right, you guys. So, they got the IV off me. My husband getting ready to help me get dressed so I won't fall. All right, see you in a minute. All right, you guys. The doctor said everything went great. Look at my hair all lopsided.
Sheila, you run about your hair.
Yeah. So anyway, we're leaving. My husband's driving me. Pray we have a safe trip home. He's under the wheel.
Shut up, girl, before I hit you. You back to your normal.
I feel good, y'all.
You back to your normal.
I feel real good. And now I go home and get myself some rest. Get this anesthesia out of my system.
This girl ain't gonna get no rest. She gonna stay on that phone.
They told me I'll be passing gas. I passed gas already twice.
You gonna pass gas?
They say it's a good thing. So my husband better not be talking about me passing gas.
I'm gonna let you forward. I don't care.
Pass gas. And when I get home, you remember that meal I made? It was the quadruple burger with the zucchini egg wrap. That's the name I gave you guys, zucchini egg wrap. Ooh, the burgers fill us up, so we didn't get to eat the zucchini egg wrap. So guess what I'm gonna do when I get home? Yeah, that's gonna be my light meal. That's what I'm eating. So anyway, thank y'all for saying prayers, and obviously prayers was answered because I had no problems. Everything was perfect. Doctor says everything was great. See me back in 10 years. Woohoo!
10 years? Good God, girl, you be drawing Social Security. This girl a mess.
So Promostk. Promostk. What are those two nurses we met? I know one was Candace, and the other one was it Caroline. So they were wonderful, you guys, at the surgery center here in Dothan. So
Surgery Center South.
Yeah, don't forget that. It was real nice. It was perfect. My doctor, perfect. So I had an excellent experience, you guys. So thanks for your prayers. Check me out on Promostk.
I could have did that procedure.
Yeah, I don't think so. Promostk.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Promostk.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Promostk.
Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood.
And then also Promostk, Sheila's Creation Way, where I'll be creating my meals. And you guys, all right, I'm going to go home and get me some rest. Love y'all. Thanks for y'all support. Just an FYI, on that gospel music while we were in the car, I do not own the rights to that music. So, just an FYI, I do not own the rights to that music that was playing in the background while we were in the car. Even though that was some good gospel music.